In this video, I will show you how you can make money on Robinhood with just $10. So making money on Robinhood with just $10 is definitely possible, but it requires strategy, patience, and realistic expectations. You won't be rich overnight, but you can grow your money and learn valuable investing skills. So here's how you can do it smartly. First, you can simply invest in the fractional shares. So Robinhood allows you to buy fractions of stocks and ETFs. This means you can own a piece of Amazon, Apple, or Tesla even with just $1. Example, you can buy $10 of S&P 500 ETF like VWO or SPY for the broad market exposure. This is great for the long-term growth with less risk. Second thing you can do is try the dividend stocks. Some companies pay dividend or small cash payment just for owning their stocks. So you can invest in the fractional shares of dividend paying stocks like Coca-Cola, AT&T and Realty Income, and you can also reinvest the dividend automatically for the compounding returns. But if you want to gain the higher profits, you can also explore the crypto. You can buy crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum in small amounts on Robinhood. Keep in mind that crypto is risky and volatile, but even with just dollars, it can grow fast during the bullish trade. You can only invest with what you are okay with your losing. So don't invest all of your entire saving, just invest only what you are okay with losing. You can also use Robinhood cash card. So Robinhood offers a cash card with cashback or stock reward when you spend. You can round up your purchases and automatically invest the change. It's like passive investing while shopping. So not a direct way to flip $10, but a cool long-term tool. And the most important thing you have to do is buy and hold. So the best way to grow $10 is to invest in a low cost ETF or the top tier stock and hold it and let it grow over time. You need to keep adding more and more over time, even $5 per week. So there are also some pro tips like avoid risky penny stocks and day trading, especially with small account. Don't chase hype like meme stocks, or learn by watching market trends and reading news and tracking your investment. So that is how you can make money on Robinhood with just $10. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.